Hey everybody, it's Ben at the Outfitters. I'm here at our 5th annual fashion event. Every fall we do this to showcase some of the wonderful new product lines, particularly in the fashion area, that we found over the summer. And there's a ton of people here in the store today, lots of interesting things going on. You'll be able to see our models and whatnot, try all this stuff on, so hope you enjoy.
What do you think of Borrego Outfitters?
Well, this is just the greatest place to shop. You can find anything you need for any reason. I come in here not to buy anything, and I always leave with things. And if Jen gets hold of you, you are doomed.
The store is where I buy all my recreational shoes. It's where I buy all my Christmas presents because nobody in San Diego has the inventory that they have here. Plus apparel, plus tchotchkes. I mean, it's just very, very special, and I don't know what Borrego Springs would do without this place and everybody on the staff.
Love Borrego Outfitters. They have lots of wonderful things, and the store is fantastic now that it's been expanded.
This is a very nice place. I love coming here because it's like prospecting. All these little treasures you'll never find unless you look.
What do you think of the fall fashion event?
I think it's lovely. It's always a lot of fun, and you see a lot of people. They have all their new things, and it's just a great way to shop.
Yeah, they're darling. They look really cute on the models, and you don't realize what some of them are until they get them on. And they're very friendly. They're so cute.
Nice cut. It is. Especially for your sleeves and everything. Nice little ripples around right here. Usually it's a little fun. Usually they end up way too long in the sleeves. Yep. And right in here is perfect for your shoulders. Straight down the front. I love how you do the curve. Like that. Very awesome. It's good. It's like that. Nice in the back, not too boxy or anything. Scoops in the back. Very awesome.
These are the ones I just bought, and I love them because, as opposed to these have support. It's got great arch support.
Erin's wearing our long sleeve men's cool with some holes and everything, ex officio pants and oboe shoes. And while you're down there, I'm wearing Olukai shoes, Prana, carve with a little bit more Prana underneath. Olukai is made in Hawaii, designed in Hawaii, and original designers came from both Reebok and Nike just to make shoes. They started with sandals and have moved their way up. And then when you go into oboes over here, these Erin's are made in the mountains, designed for the mountains, lightweight, unbelievably traction control without having to have any kind of heavy weight to them.
Hi, it's Karen and I'm here at the Outfitters. It's our annual fashion show and party's just getting started. I've got some of my favorite cool pants on, my Merrell hikers, Columbia sun shirt with a lovely flannelly feel, Columbia tee, buff all-purpose headwear, ready for fun.
I'm wearing Olukai sandals, and then I'm wearing Prana pants, Prana shirt, and my Prana sweater.
Hi, I'm Paige from Borrego Outfitters. Right now I'm wearing some Olukai boots, Aventura skirt, Royal Robbins vest. The shirt is also from Aventura, and to finish up, Maruka handbag.
I'm wearing Eagle Creek. It was one of our companies we carry, so we always carry the skirts and the shirts and everything. So we thought we'll do the pants, and then
Do the walk.
and it just like flows. So I got my Olukai shoes on. Then also my hats from Pistol.
Oh, well, today I am wearing again Prana, one of my favorites, a new company for us, Ouray. So we've got a specifically Borrego Springs shirt that is incognito. Then again, down into Prana, which is one of my favorite brands. Outdoor hiking, stretching, easy to wear, comfy, and of course got the Olukais on. I can't complain about these shoes. They're comfortable, they're easy to slip on, comfortable to wear.